Hey guys, I'm Shawn of Waco, Texas. In the studio today, going to teach you how to play a song by Neil Young called After the Gold Rush. Let's take a listen. All right, guys, this is one of those songs that is so simple, but so awesome. When I first heard it, I was like, oh, that's a nice song. But then it gets kind of stuck in your head, and then you're like, man, it's a great song. And it's one of those, it's not too hard to play on piano. So if you are at a beginner level, this is a great one to be introduced to some of Neil Young's music. Anyway, guys, if you're new to my lessons, welcome to our online piano community at webpianoteacher.com, where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who want to learn to play piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. We're going to do that right now. Let's get to it. So, again, this is just a really simple little thing, and you think, well, it's so simple. Let me write a song like that, and then immediately we just, it's very hard. So Neil Young, a genius on this song, and the piano part's really, pretty easy, I think. And he kind of is one of those that plays guitar on the piano. So he plays I think he's primarily a guitar player, and when he plays the piano, he plays it in such a way that it really makes it sound like a guitar to me. All right, so let's get to it. All right, we are on a Kawai MP11 SE in the studio. Great stage piano. I love it. It's my favorite instrument I've ever played on besides my acoustic Kawai that I have at home. So we are in the key of D here. So, and you can just hear the strumming, the up and down strumming on the guitar when you play this. Can't you? I can. I play guitar too, not as well as I play piano, but play enough to know how they kind of go together here. So we are in the key of D. First chord is a D chord. If you are a member on the site, remember you can download the sheets for this. All right? We'll do the part 1 lesson here and all the rest of it all the way through. Everything Neil plays will be on my piano teacher. All right, so D, A in the left hand. Right hand starts off with an E and an A with 2 and 5. So you play that together. And then you immediately go to a D chord, D, F sharp, A with 1, 3, 5. Then it goes left, right there, back to left, and then D, A, G. Play that with the right hand, 5, 2, 1, because we're moving to a G chord there. So again, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and now we're on the G chord, G, B, D in the right, left hand on a G, low G, G chord again on the right, then left, right, left hand on the low G, right hand G, left hand D, right hand D. So let's put both measures together and go. 1, 2. So the next measure is kind of like the first one. We have 2 and 5 on the E to the D chord 3 times, and then just the D, F sharp, E. Then we end with a G, B here with 1 and 2. Left hand on D, A the whole time. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we play G, B. Then the left hand has a D all by itself. And then low G, high G, D, G, G, D. So here it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And just make sure you hold that first D for a whole count. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Okay? So all of it is. Do that middle measure for you again. All right, so there we have our part 1. This first measure here, a little intro, then Neil starts singing. After that, it's a great one to sing. Neil has a really high voice, so if you don't have a really high voice, it's so high that we could actually sing it an octave lower. Most guys can, and it'll feel right in your range. It'll work just fine. So a great one to play, great one to sing with, great one to play with the actual recording. Not too hard, and you get to play a really cool song at the same time. So guys, see you on webpianoteacher.com. Talk to you later.